Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 8. Simplify 2 root 2 minus root 3 over root 2 plus root 3. So we have to simplify 2 root 2 minus root 3 all over root 2 plus root 3. Now for us to simplify this solve, we have to find the conjugate of the denominator. Now this is the denominator here. So we have to find the conjugate of this denominator, then multiply with the numerator and denominator by this what? By this conjugate. By this conjugate. Now the conjugate of root 2 plus root 3 is equals to root 2 minus root 3. So we just change the sign. Now we now multiply the numerator and denominator by this root 2 minus root 3. So we have 2 root 2 minus root 3 all over root 2 plus root 3 multiply by root 2, this is minus here, multiply by root 2 multiply by root 2 minus root 3 all over root 2 minus root 3. So we have 2 root 2 minus root 3 multiply by root 2 minus root 3 over root 2 minus root 3. Now this is equal to, let's take out the multiplication, 2 root 2 minus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3 all over root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3. Now this will give us, opening the brackets, we'll have root 2 root 2 multiplied by root 2 to give us 2 root 4, then 2 root 2 multiplied by minus root 3 to give us minus 2 root 6, minus root 3 times root 2 will give us minus root 6, then minus root 3 times minus root 3 will give us plus root 9 all over. Same to apply here, root 2 times root 2 will give us root 4, then root 2 times minus root 3 will give us minus root 6, then plus root 3 times root 2 will give us plus root 6, then plus root 3 times minus root 3 will give us minus root 9. So this is equals to, here now we'll be having 2 root 4. Root 4 will give us 2 times 2 will give us 4, then minus 2 root 6 minus root 6 will give us minus 3 root 6, then plus root 9 will give us 3 all over root 4 will give us 2, minus root 6 plus root 6 will give us 0, then minus root 9 will give us minus root 3. So this is equal to 4 plus 3 will give us 7. So we have 7 minus 3 root 6 all over 2 minus 1 will give us minus 1. So now this is equals to minus into 7 minus 3 root 6, and that is equals to minus 7 plus 3 root 6. Now writing this well, that will give us, that will be equals to 3 root 6 minus 7, and that is option B, 3 root 6 minus 7. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.